Thinking about renting a truck from Budget? Here's what you need to know. Budget has locations in all 48 contiguous United States, and they're one of the major players when it comes to move. They've got rentable moving vehicles, including a cargo van and 12, 16, or 26-foot trucks, though some options may not be available at every location. 12 is good for a studio or small one-bedroom apartment. 16 is good for a 2 to 3 bedroom place, and 26 is for the big homes with 4 or more bedrooms. Also, these take regular unleaded gas, but this needs diesel. With the bigger trucks, you can expect the standards like loading ramps and towing capabilities, as well as flat floors and dual-face mirrors. So what does all this cost? Well, it depends. The basic formula is a daily rate for the truck plus a per-mile fee. But where you're moving to and from, how far out you book, and whether or not you qualify for any discounts also has a lot to do with it. Here are some rough estimates. For local moves under 50 miles, around $180. Between 50 and 250 miles, about $280. And for really long hauls, somewhere in the neighborhood of $1,150. Some overall pros for Budget include practically guaranteed pickup and drop-off locations, free unlimited miles for long distance moves, lots of neat discounts, and the ability to change your drop-off date online. Cons include fewer locations and some surprise fees you won't find elsewhere. It always pays to shop around. And if you want to do that for your movers, check out HireAHelper.com, where you can find affordable moving pros in your area. Check out our other video on the top 10 moving mistakes to avoid. And if this was helpful, give it a like and follow for more moving advice.